Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Boone County in north-central Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Loves Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
This battery's gonna die.
Hazard, golf ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated and spotters reported golf ball-sized hail with this storm in McChesney Park around 6:10 p.m. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Belvedere, Loves Park, Podler Grove, and Timberlane, including the following Interstate
Come on,
90
camera
between
battery,
mile
hang in
markers
there.
52 and 60. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is no